Assalamu alaikum viewers. In this video we are going to show you how to download Google Nest Aware. First of all, go to setting and you check app management. Just wait. You check home application. Not their home app. How to download Google Nest? We are go to Play Store. The first thing do to is go to the Play Store, type home, search home type. You see Google Home app. That option is install. Click here. Few seconds wait. Wait few seconds. Google Home app, install it. You see installing Google Home. Few seconds and done. Install and done. I go back screen. See that home app. I go to setting and then go to app management. See here home app. That is the my app home. Click here. First of data use detail, click here and go to background data. Is defilter setting on? Click here. That data is off. Back. Storage detail and clear data. This home app clear data. Then read the message and clear. Clear data. Go to back. This app permissions, click here. All permissions is allowed. Location, microphone, phone, storage. That is all permission is allowed. Background data off and data is clear. Go to back. This app home. Open my app. Welcome home. Your content and device all in one place. Get started. Any Gmail account. Setting and skip. Your choice. I will skip. As that's all my Google Home Nest Aware. Your choice is setting. This all setting is your choice. This some method all simple. That's your request. Subscribe and like my channel. Okay, goodbye.